Now, with our first alert meteorologist, Lauren Whitney, tracking those wind speeds. Want to start out, though, with Dave Aguilera on the Eastern Plains. Dave, at times, it's been a struggle just to see out there.
Just to see. Oh, yeah, for sure. We've got kind of a combination of blowing dust and smoke. We are at Strasburg. Right behind me is I-70 here, and it's not too terrible now, but just moments ago, we had huge walls of dust blowing across the highway and blowing across this area. In fact, when we got out of the truck and started talking from time to time, you get a mouthful of dust blowing right at you when this dust blows through. Now, as we take a look further out to the east, what we've got is huge amounts of dust all over the eastern plains of Colorado, mixing in with smoke that is coming from fires down south. We got a fire in Kiowa County, which is about over 100 miles south of here, and some of that smoke is getting mixed in with the dust blowing right up from southern Colorado and across the eastern plains. So much dust, in fact, that I-70 going into Kansas is closed right now because of all the dust that's blowing out near Burlington and Goodland and Colby and some of those areas right now. So it's just crazy out there. In fact, let's take a look at some of the dust that was blowing along I-70 as we were driving up in this direction here. It kind of came and went. We had series of dust walls, if you will, pushing across I-70 from time to time. Then we've had a clear spot, and then we get into more dust as we drove up this area. Let's take a look at what the winds are doing right now, and they are still pretty strong out there. We had a peak wind out at DIA of 56 miles per hour, but we've still got 35 all the way up to nearly 65 mile per hour winds across the eastern plains out here. And from time to time in places like Burlington out there and Stratton and all the way down at Alamosa, we had hurricane force winds blowing during the course of the day. Right now, tropical force storm winds are blowing here, and we do have an air quality alert for almost all of eastern Colorado, where if you do have any respiratory breathing issues, I would recommend that you stay indoors at least until about 8 or 9 o'clock tonight, and that's when most of this will start to die down. But Lauren Whitney is back in the First Alert Weather Center, and Lauren, I'll tell you what, this wind is relentless out here. Just when we think it dies down a little bit, it comes surging back out at us and still causing huge problems this afternoon.
Well, yes, it is. And Dave, hold on.